How to turn on or turn off lens correction on Blackmagic camera. So if you want your Blackmagic camera to automatically correct your lens if distorted, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily turn on this feature on your Blackmagic camera. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or turn off lens correction on Blackmagic camera on your phone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Blackmagic camera app. Then on the Blackmagic camera page, go ahead, click on settings. Now, once you select settings, scroll down the settings page. Then here you want to locate lens correction, and then if this is toggled off just like this, go ahead, click on it once to toggle it on. And if you want to disable the lens correction on your Blackmagic camera, repeat the same process. Scroll down the settings page, locate lens correction, and then disable it. Once you disable that, the lens correction will be disabled on the Blackmagic camera while using it. So that is basically how to turn on lens correction on Blackmagic or how to turn off lens correction on Blackmagic camera. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.